Okay, so if we start and distribute this 6h to both terms, 6h times 2h would be 12h squared. 6h times 3 would be 18h. Now be careful, because now we're going to do -7. -7 times 2h would be -14h. Again, if you want, stack it under your other one. You don't need to do that, but you can. It might make it easier for your last step. And then you have -7 times +3, which is -21. So now if we combine our like terms, we have 12h squared. 18h minus 14h is 4h. And then you have your -21. Okay. Let's go ahead and distribute the 5m to both of those. So 5m times 8m is 40m squared. 5m times -1 is -5m. Now we'll multiply both terms with the 2. 2 times 8m is 16m, and it's positive, so I'll put plus 16m. 2 times -1 is -2. So our like terms are just the -5m and the plus 16m. So we'll bring down our 40m squared. 16m minus 5m would be 11m. And then our -2. Okay, one more. Distribute the 9a to both of them. 9a times 7a. 9 times 7 is 63. So 63a squared. 9a times 4 would be 36a. Then we'll distribute the -8. -8 times 7a. Negative times positive becomes -56a. And -8 times +4 would be -32. If you're not comfortable with your negative, positive rules yet with multiplication, adding and stuff, make sure you bring your calculator. This is something you should practice a little bit every day. So we got 63a squared. 36 minus 56 is -20, so -20a. And then bring down the -32. On the next slide, we're going to learn about something called foiling. FOIL is just a way to remember the order that you can multiply this in. But if you just remember that we are multiplying everything from one set with everything in the other set, you're good. FOIL is just an acronym which stands for first, outer, inner, and last. So if you look, you multiply the first number in each set of parentheses. So we would do 3x times 2x, which is 6x squared. Then you do the outermost ones. The outermost ones would be 3x and 7. So that would give you 21x. Then you do the innermost ones, the ones towards the center, which would be -5 times 2x, which would give you -10x. And then you do the last number in each set of parentheses, so -5 times 7, -35. You combine your like terms, which most of the time it's the middle two terms. 6x squared. 21x minus 10x is 11x. And that's it. Now, if you look, FOIL is really doing what we just did. We distributed the 3x to both of the other terms, and then we distributed the -5 to both of the other terms. So however you can remember to multiply them to get this answer is great. So we're going to try 3 together on the next video. You guys are going to love this. If I can find the mouse. There we go.